Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is March 21st, 2021, and I decided to do an herb garden this year. So we're going to be planting some basil seeds. Now, I have Mammolo basil, and I also have, I believe it's pronounced Genovese basil, which is also an Italian heirloom. So, along with that, we're also going to be doing oregano, and we're going to be doing parsley, and I haven't quite figured out yet what else I want to add to that, but we like fresh herbs. We use a lot of parsley, especially like if we're making potatoes or different things, and just want to go ahead and get these planted here. So, basil is prone to what they call basil downy mildew. And from my understanding, it can be seed-borne, and from what I've seen, it can be seed-borne. So, what I do with my seeds is I soak them in a light solution of neem oil for a few minutes, and then I plant them up. So, these are soaking in here, and I'm using the Jiffy Natural and Organic Seed Starting Mix. So, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put some neem oil here on my soil. That'll help prevent dampening off disease, and it can also help to prevent like black spot. So my seeds kind of came out on the soil, which is no big deal. I'll just separate them out here. Okay, so you can see my seed took on kind of a white fuzzy appearance, sort of, and I'm wearing gloves because of the neem oil. So I'm just going to, I'm putting 2 seeds per cell because I just want to make sure that we get enough basil here, and I can always prick the extra ones out. And I am going to be covering these lightly then with some seed starting mix. If I can get this one here off my thumb because it wants to stick to my thumb. There we go. Oops. Just try and get this here off my thumb here. I have 2 of them stuck together here. There we go. Right here. Oops. They will kind of stick to you because of the neem oil. But I'm just going to firm these into the soil here, and I'm gently going to cover them with just a little bit of seed starting mix here. Don't want them down too deep, just a little light covering over them. There we go. So I'm going to get this labeled, and I'm going to be putting this on the heated floor in the greenhouse with a loose covering over it. And when these start germinating, I will come back and I will show you. So, okay, so today is March the 27th, 2021. And on March the 25th, my basil seeds started germinating. And you can see here what the little seedlings look like. So I'm going to be taking these out of the tray and off of the heated floor, and I'm going to be putting them on a shelf in the greenhouse. Now, basil you can start at any time of the year, as long as you would be growing it indoors, like if you wanted a winter crop for your kitchen. you can start it indoors. Just make sure that you either have artificial light, or some people do get away with growing it in their windowsills in their kitchen. I don't have too much experience with that, but I know some people have done it already. So that is something that, maybe you could try. But I do have videos on my channel for how to set up like a growing thing indoors with lights, so you can check that out. Now, I do recommend, if you're growing this indoors under lights, that you do harden your seedlings off before you take them outside. And I do have videos on my channel for how to do that, so you can check those out. So as this continues to grow, I'm going to come back with more videos, and I'm going to show it to you. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll try to put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank yous for watching, and hope you have a nice day. Bye!